simple regular verb. Spiritualisasi kita ada di An-Nahl ayat 66. Purpose of material, past simple, regular verb, irregular, and this is the purpose. Before we studying about the grammar of past tense, we have to know about the ending of regular verb. The for past simple and past participle regular verb we add ed. How to say? The first you have to search about this verb help. Past form is help is helped. Can you listen? Helped. Transcription of dictionary, the end of T, helped. This is the end of T. Carry. Past simple of carry, carried. Transcription of Oxford, carried. This is different sound. T, d. And past simple and this is the transcription. Ending. The sound of ending is eat. The eat. Let's see again about pronunciation. Open your dictionary. Nah, this is the sound T. Nah, ini huruf-huruf yang ada di kamus, kamu bisa cari di kamus. Sketched, caged, and this is punished. This one is washed. Akhir kata seperti ini ya. Nah, bacanya ada tehnya. Sketched, punished, washed. Pronunciation ending d ya. Nah, ini cara bacanya. Nah, ini Miss Maya hanya beberapa saja ya. Nah, ini huruf simbolnya, foniknya change. Nah, baca d, change. Nah, akhirnya d ya, bukan t atau eat. But. Nah, huruf simbol seperti ini but. And this one is wrote. And the last one, nah M tapi bukan ini ya, ada huruf strange. Now let's see again about it. Open your dictionary for Oxford. Final ed, t, and d. Ya, belakangnya t dan d. Contohnya yaitu faulted. Jadi faulted, belakangnya t. Yang D apa lagi? Minded. Nah, hurufnya D. Okay. Let's play games. Kita sudah melakukan di kelas. Nah, sekarang kita reflection. Ya, reflection. Ya, kamu bisa mengecek jawaban yang benar yang mana. Lihat dari key-nya. And you have to listen. Let's see. Listen and repeat.
Audio 2.12. 1. Helped. Liked. Talked. Watched. Worked. 2. Carried. Changed. Happened. Listened. Lived. Opened. Studied. Tried. Used. 3. Ended. Invented. Started. Wanted.
Okay. Do you understand about the sounds of ed? If you have any question, you can ask Miss Maya. Thank you for listening. and you have to wait another video of learning English. Thank you. Bye bye.